Good afternoon, Bastien from BV Real Estate, near Playa Marsella. We are looking at a 3 bedrooms house with a nice pool. Here we are on the best part of the house. It's like the barbecue and the bar, so you will spend most of the time outside with like a hammock here. And then an amazing pool. You see different chairs, sofa, tables. There is a dining table over here. And then 3 bedrooms. One master with his private bathroom, and then 2 bedrooms here sharing a bathroom. So first best bedrooms here. Sorry, it was messy, not prepared, but here is the storage for all the beach chair and the tables and sofa. Then in the middle, we have our bathroom, guest bathroom and shared bathroom. And then here we have the 3rd room with 2 bunk bed. You see you have like double and 3 single. So in total you could fit 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people. We go here on our living room. We have like a small kitchen, but there is 2 kitchens, but you see it's fully equipped as we have a microwave, oven, stove. There is a blender, coffee machine also, water dispenser and big fridge. Small sofa from inside and big TV here. It's a small living room, but here we live always outside.